If you search online for how to unclog your arteries, you'll find tons of videos telling you to drink exotic smoothies, swallow spoonfuls of lemon juice, or try extreme herbal cleanses to melt away arterial plaque. Here's the blunt truth. You cannot rinse out your blood vessels like a clogged kitchen pipe. Plaque isn't sitting loosely inside your arteries. It's embedded within the vessel walls, often hardened with calcium and protected by a fibrous cap. But here's the good news. Clinical research shows you can slow plaque progression, stabilize it so it's less likely to rupture, and in early stages, even slightly reduce buildup. And there is one simple meal that combines some of the most studied heart-supporting foods to help do exactly that. Let's break down what that meal looks like and why it works. Imagine a plate built around 3 core components: grilled wild-caught salmon, a large serving of dark, leafy greens with steamed broccoli, and sliced avocado topped with extra virgin olive oil. This isn't just a healthy dinner, it's a strategic combination designed to support your endothelial health, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. This meal targets 3 major drivers of arterial plaque: chronic inflammation, oxidized LDL cholesterol, endothelial dysfunction. If you struggle with high cholesterol, rising blood pressure, or a family history of heart disease, this combination matters. Let's start with the protein base: wild-caught salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These fatty fish are rich in EPA and DHA, omega-3 fatty acids. Plaque becomes especially dangerous when it gets inflamed and unstable. Omega-3s help shift the inflammatory balance in your body and are associated with lower triglycerides and improved plaque stability. In simple terms, they help make plaque less likely to rupture, which is what often triggers heart attacks. Next comes the base of greens. Spinach, arugula, kale, and broccoli contain natural dietary nitrates. When consumed, your body converts these compounds into nitric oxide, a powerful molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. Healthy nitric oxide levels support better blood flow and help maintain smooth, flexible arteries. Quick pause for a second. If you're learning something new here, tap the like button so this video reaches more people trying to protect their heart. It genuinely helps. Now let's add the final layer: avocado and high-quality extra virgin olive oil. These foods are rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. They help support healthy cholesterol balance, including maintaining beneficial HDL levels, often described as the cleanup crew that helps transport excess cholesterol back to the liver. Together, these 3 components work in synergy: omega-3s to calm inflammation, greens to support vessel flexibility, healthy fats to improve cholesterol balance. Now think about the typical American dinner table: fast food during busy weekdays, takeout on weekends, processed snacks in between. Over time, those patterns quietly shape your blood vessels, not in one dramatic moment, but slowly, meal by meal. And here is the catch that trips up almost everyone. You cannot eat this artery-supportive meal at night while spending the rest of the day overwhelming your system with ultra-processed sugars and refined carbohydrates. Frequent blood sugar spikes create metabolic stress inside your blood vessels. Over time, that stress damages the inner lining of the arteries, exactly where plaque begins to develop. To let the good foods work, you have to reduce the ongoing damage. Protecting your heart isn't about extreme cleanses or miracle drinks. It's about consistently giving your body the raw materials it needs to support repair, regulate inflammation, and maintain healthy circulation. Here's something practical you can do this week. Replace just 2 of your usual dinners with fatty fish or a plant-based omega-3 source, a large serving of dark leafy greens, healthy fats like avocado or olive oil. Small shifts, repeated consistently, can create meaningful long-term changes. If you made it this far, your heart health clearly matters to you. Comment below. If you had to choose tonight, are you going with salmon, sardines, or plant-based? And if you and your partner are working on building healthier habits together, subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. Health Fitness. Every week, We break down real science into practical steps you can actually use. Your heart works for you every second of your life. The least we can do is feed it accordingly.